this is how wide it's going to be. Initially, it was this small. Now they have made it wide. That's where the railway heads towards Nakawa, or towards the Namamve side. 2 videos for this road, because man, it's long. You see, we've come from the other side. And these are the Bugolobi flats, the famous Bugolobi flats. According to what I know, the walls to these flats were jetted in from Israel during the tenure of President Idi Amin Dada the Great. I am in Nakawa at the moment, and over the other side, that is Kololo and Nakasero to the other side, and the city as well. So I'm going to be bringing you the updates of this road. Yes, most of you have been asking. I've seen like 3 comments asking for this road. That is the Portbell Road. So I'm going to be bringing you this road, and this is where I am at the moment. So stick around, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Yes, I'm happy this time there is something that has been done. Let me come. So faster. These cars are heading towards the town. Those that are going where I'm facing right now, and these ones are heading towards the eastern Uganda. So this is where I am at the moment, and I've been installing traffic lights. That is the reason for this car just right here. So I'm going to be taking you through the road project, and you see what is happening. Let's start from here. So this is where we are. The manhole covers have already been stolen. Ugandans are faster. So this is how it looks like. They've taken off the old tarmac. If you go back and see the videos, the old videos that I did, there was 2 lanes this way and a lane the other side. So that is the debris that were gotten off the road, and they have been put aside. Some were taken to other places for refills, but these ones were put in the road reserve. Let's go and see what this road has to offer, how it looks like at the moment, and you will be dropping your comments and let me know. Of course, I've seen people comment that the project is also being slow. You see where those taxis are parked? That is where the drainage channel is, and that's where most of the first videos I did about this road project were about. So when you look around here, this time it is wide. There was an island with traffic lights here in the middle, but now it was taken out. The road is big enough at the moment, and it runs from here towards Luzira via Bugolobi, Chitintale. Yeah, so I'm going to make sure that I reach there. If the video is too long, I'll make sure it comes in 2 episodes, because when I release a longer video, most of you don't get the updates. So if the video is shorter, people will get the updates very well. Thank you for the support, and please keep supporting me. I need your support, and if I get that support, it's that support that is going to push me outside of Kampala and bring you more content about Uganda. So where you see that green fencing, last time I told you guys, yes, it is the University of Aga Khan, and recently it's the hospital of the University of Aga Khan, and this week they commissioned it, some of the blocks. Of course, it has already started as they are building the other sites, and it is a specialized hospital. So Ugandans, like MPs and the big people, have been running to Kenya for services at the Aga Khan Hospital, others South Africa. This time they'll be getting the services here in Uganda. That is the reason of this hospital. Yeah, and when we reach around here, you can see this time it's better. The other time it was raised like this, and this time they've made it flat. So meaning we are coming to the last touches for it to be tarmacked. You can clearly see where they did the drainage system. The grasses have already come out. Whoa, so interesting. Let's continue. And it was a bit hilly. At the moment it's somehow flat. Let's continue this other side and see what is happening. I've been seeing cars ferrying Maram, and yeah, there might be some huge works going on. I want to reach somewhere and take a border so that I can cover something more within the shortest time. So some of the blocks are the other side that were commissioned. The last time I came, the road was at this level, and now almost halfway my height is what has been cleared. And all this Maram was put. Let's wait and see how it's going to turn out. You can as well see the other side. It was a leveled ground, but now they've entered deep. Kubo lya bigere. It's only for pedestrians, not for cars. This side is what they mean. And this is Capital Shoppers Nakawa. It is still available, and yeah, it's one of the best supermarkets around here for people heading towards this way, for the students of MOOCs. And this is Nakawa Business School, Makerere University Business School. That's what I wanted to say. So around here, I'm going to be taking a border and then see what's up. See, they had not worked on this drainage system, and now they are working on it. They're going to be connecting it with this, such that it drives water to the other side, and then later towards the Leire. Or maybe let me go up to the Leire and show you that part, then I'll get a border from there. Let me even go in the middle. Look at this one coming towards me. It's wide enough. So I've showed you the main gate of the university. And this is still part of the Aga Khan University. That is the compound. It always has huge chunks of land. Someone chasing me out of the middle of the road for no reason. So that is the main gate of the campus. So around here, there is, how can I call it? Can I call it a footbridge? It's not a footbridge. There is a bridge under there. That's where the train passes, and they're going to make it more wide. It was a 2-lane, taking one car, bringing another one. So this time they're going to make it wider. And the last time I was here, there was nothing happening, and at this time, there is something going on. I see they're putting up some concrete. Let's go and see what is happening. Just make sure to like the video. All those are slabs that are going to be used. And this is how they're going to widen it. This is how wide it's going to be. Initially, it was this small. Now they have made it wide. That's where the railway heads towards Nakawa, or towards the Namamve side. So that's how they've worked upon it. They're going to make this wide as well. So I want to cross and show you what is happening on the other side. Hopefully it's not illegal. From somewhere here. So they are working over that other side. It's a mini site. So that's where they are laying the bricks from. And the Aga Khan University over the other side. So all this soil was piled here. That is in Bia Hill, it's for the military. Now let me go back up. I share this with these motorists. So that is the hospital, according to what I was told, because I remember I was told in the first video I did about this project, someone commented and said that is the army hospital, that one over there. So most of these are hostels for students that study from MOOCs. So this was a swamp, and slowly by slowly they are pushing soil that they are getting from this project onto there. What they are going to use that for, I also don't know. Maybe that's what they will use as a camp, and when the road is done, as they are leaving, some other person will come and construct something from there, or a house or what, and start using it. With time, they will claim it. In Uganda, if you spend 10 years on a piece of land, you qualify to own it or to claim it as yours. So let's move downwards. So this is how wide the road is going to be. It was on the other side. That's the initial one. Oh, that's the old one. They're widening it to this. So meaning traffic is going to be solved around here. You see, I've told you it is a wetland. You see the waters, that's why they're pushing the soil. And it comes to this other side. That is dangerous. Now just imagine if they level it to the same level, meaning if floods come, this place will be flooding. All the water was being drained from this way, the water will be coming this other side, and it will disturb the people. That's the reason we need to respect these things like forests. We also need to respect things like the wetlands, water bodies, and many other things. Also the atmosphere. That's why we need to plant more trees, because these trees purify the air that we breathe in. Otherwise, if we reduce the number of trees, carbon will take over us, and that way a lower lifespan. So I'm impressed. The last time I was here, this thing wasn't this wide, and now it's been widened. And what I've seen, I'm going to do 2 videos for this road, because man, it's long. You see, we've come from the other side. This middle part here hasn't been worked upon, but I think when it is worked upon, it will be down. It's a bit hilly and it will be down. So the work started a long time ago. You can see they dug from up and now we are to this level. So that road takes you back to the Wampeo Avenue where the traffic light is, the Airtel clock is as you're heading towards the city, and the other parts of Bugolobi. They've already mixed this soil with some gravel, and that's how it looks like. Meaning in a few they'll be laying the final, they'll be bringing the stones to start laying the final layers. See, the road is wide. So I am now crossing to the other side because the other side is not safe for me. The culverts here, I'm not impressed. The size is small. Needed bigger ones. In some other projects, these are the culverts that had an X. They were changed and then brought bigger ones. So these ones here, they've put them. Or maybe, let's hope the water volumes here aren't much. But as far as I know, water coming from up needs to cross to this other side and then it is taken to the other places, meaning it will be a lot. Anyway, I'm not an engineer like some people always claim in the comment section. Who am I to judge? Let's go. So here we are back to default settings. Nothing is happening here. But we can as well go and see the place. So this road here takes you up to the Mbuya Hill, as far as I know. So we are continuing up to the Bugolobi Road, the road that takes to the other side of Bugolobi. That's why we shall be ending this one, and the next one drops very soon. It's dropping a day after this one. Make sure to check it out and then continue with the tour of this project. Here they worked upon the drainage already. Like I showed you the other side, the grasses have already grown, but they worked upon the drainage. So they are now onto the middle part. One of the MTN internet centers, and this other side, it is the town of Bugolobi, and these are the Bugolobi flats, the famous Bugolobi flats. According to what I know, the walls to these flats were jetted in from Israel. Yeah, during the tenure of President Idi Amin Dada the Great. Those are the same people that built our national airport. Are they called the Israelites? People from Israel. They used to also take the soil, and this is the town of Bugolobi, then Bugolobi Market, that one in yellow. So they also used to take the soil from Uganda as they graded the airport, they used to take that soil, pack it, put it on planes, heavy duty planes of course, and then take it to their home. And I want to tell you, up to now, it is said, it is believed that this soil is still used for farming. Remember, Israel is in a dry place, or it's a dry country. So let's continue moving downwards, and around here we are in Bugolobi, just down there. That's where Bugolobi Silver Springs is. So I'm going to be finding my way. I want to cross. So this place, they haven't concentrated on it, just like they've concentrated on the other side. So let me cross from here. So it's possible that this truck is coming from the port, because this road takes us to Portbell, one of the oldest ports in Uganda. And I think it is the mainest. Someone drop a comment and let me know if Portbell is the oldest or is the mainest port in Uganda. The waters have eaten up this place. The last time I was here, it was in good conditions, but the waters have eaten it up. And all the cars had left the middle part, they were using this one. Okay, let's go. I think it's better I get a border now. So guys, I'm going to be ending here the first part. Wait for me in second part. It is dropping after this one. I'm out. That is the Bugolobi market. And allow me end this video here. I'm out. Peace.